Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to do is remove all of the ink stains from her base. I've already tried baking soda and water, but it didn't work, so I'm going to try something else. So I decided instead I'm going to try this acne control cream stuff. But if you guys are going to do this method, then it has to have 10% of benzoyl peroxide for it to work. Alrighty guys, now that her facial is all done, I need to let her bake in the sun for 2 hours. While the other girl's drying, I'm deciding to take another girl with a similar body mold and design her outfit. So after I grab all of my materials, I look back onto my original design. And this is a girl named Rosalina, and this is what I want her to look like, or what I wanted her to look like. And then this is all of the clothes and stuff that I designed for her. So right now I'm just designing some molds, that way her dress has a nice shape and doesn't move around too much when it's on her body. Alright guys, so I got both the molds glued onto the fabric with a little bit of Elmer's glue, and now I just have to wait for it to dry. And now in the meantime, while I let everything dry, I'm going to work on some custom jewelry, like a necklace and a bracelet. For the necklace, I'm just using a broken dog chain, and I'm using the end of it, that way it can still clip together. And Laura is actually the one who even came up with this design in the first place, so make sure to check her channel out. The link will be in the description box below. And now I am simply taking the fabric and cutting it to the shape that I want the shirt to be. Alright guys, I'm finally finished, and this is the first time I've really made custom clothing, and I'm so proud of myself. It looks so good, and I'm just loving the way this looks. So I put it on her, and it kind of looks a little funky being like just a straight dress. So I'm deciding to give her a shirt and maybe like a skirt or a pair of pants. Now that I've cut the shirt, I'm just going to attach some Velcro. Alright guys, so I attached some Velcro, and now it can actually close and open just like it was made from a factory, except it wasn't. And now it's time to test and see if it fits on the doll. And it works, so I'm so happy, and it looks super good. And now we just need to get this lady some pants. So since the top is like designs and has a lot going on, I decided that I want the skirt to be a plain blue. Alright, so now I got the skirt cut out. I left the front shorter than the back, and I left it kind of like chopped up looking. That way it looks more kind of like naturist and a little bit worn out. Alright guys, so I think that the overall look is pretty much done, except I think I'm going to add a belt just to give it a little bit more detail. To make the belt, I cut out 3 pieces the same length of some silver ribbon. I glued them together at one end, braid them all the way down, and glue it at the other end. So now her belt is complete, and it is also velcroed in the back, and basically her entire outfit is complete. As for her shoes, they are the original Farmer Barbie shoes. I just cut off the tops and custom painted them. Okay guys, so I left the cream on for 2 days in the sun, and it finally came off, and it looks so good, and I am so happy with the results. So now that the ink is all gone, I can now spray her with some Mr. Super Clear and finally get started on the repaint. So I just wrap her entire body in a plastic bag except for her face. Alright guys, so I sprayed her face, and now I'm going to go ahead and start on the repaint. For the repaint, I'm going to be using these Faber-Castell watercolor pencils. The first thing I'm going to do in this repaint is first start by coloring her eyes in multiple shades of brown. Next, I grab the blue because this girl is going to have blue-green eyes. And I make the outside of her eye a little bit darker, and then I go lighter as I go towards the inside. Next, I just give her some eyeliner and pupils. And I use lighter shades of pink for her lips. I'm using a light brown for her eyebrows. And I just kind of do a touch up to her eyes, her eyebrows, and even her lips. For the white of her eye, I just used a little tiny bit of white paint. Alright guys, so I'm done repainting her. I love the way she turned out. I already sealed the face paint with another coat of Mr. Super Clear, and I'm just so happy with the results. And now I'm going to get her dressed and see her overall look. This girl is looking so good, and I'm so happy with the final result. Comment below if you've ever done a doll repaint before, and also tap the circle right here to subscribe and tap the box right here to watch my latest upload. Bye guys!